Make I read the message of the guy we want handle in case. Once I read and finish, we'll go call him. Hello, Nedum. Now yesterday sent this message. He say one say indeed troubled. This message is not suggestive. The guys have speak English. Huh? This message is not suggestive on any religious orientation you have. I don't even care if you are a Buddhist. I am a big listener of Wazobia FM. The problem is spiritual. I have practiced the whole 3 prominent religions in Nigeria, and I'm yet to get clarity on the solution. The problem started manifesting the moment I hit childhood. I would keep things, lock door, and get back only to start searching for the item. They call it spiritual robbery. I was still living with an uncle when this problem started. I ended up taking the fall for lost business materials I didn't take. Fast forward to my days of independence. I opened a salon and I would lock money in the shop only to come back in the morning and the money will be missing. My equipment will be on the floor and nobody broke in. Eventually, I opened a Bet Naija shop, a betting shop, prospered for a while, and things got messier. I was robbed 14 times within the space of 3 months. All the while it happened, the robbery would take place in the dream before manifesting physically. I had 3 offices, but these shops closed down on account of the robberies. He said in moto, then still and for it was stolen inside the dream, and 1 week after the dream, it was stolen physically. The thing is, my maternal grandma was Ezewine. That's from water. She takes people with spiritual wife problem to the river to cleanse them, and I believe the gene/blood was passed to my mom. I have been crowned in the water by 3 ladies who reminded me that I am the king where I come from. Several instances where I have been told that I am a water child, but I have lacked guidance. My parents are late, and I'm the only son. I'm the only son to a loving extended family who sadly don't believe in solving spiritual challenges in native way. There are lots of stories, but the internet is a small space to type such. I'm currently driver in Lagos, but in vehicle say is spoiled in the dream before it can spoil physically again. Say life don't tire him. He said life never tire me, but I'm tired. My car is parked at Civic Center now. It spoiled last week. I need guidance. Okay, I need direction, my brother. I need clarity. I need guidance. I can flow with any faith that can guide me out of this dilemma. You see, I can tell you for free, not only this guy they face this thing. Plenty other people did where they go through this thing. But when we come back from this market, we go call him for phone, making use his mouth, talk the things when he say. He not still talk on top of this matter, and he get one pastor where they listen to us when he says sabi these things where bro, I beg if you hear me, send us message, come on WhatsApp line, make we I know your DP. If I see your message, I go no say na you.
Then again, one woman again, we also help us out for one matter like that.
Yes, so madam, if you did that too, I beg send your message as well, so that you will find way where you go take help this guy. Even if me I know the truth of what the guy need to do. You understand? But Mokuna just still send a message. But we'll call the guy when we come back. We're not going to hear every tibobo. You get the point? So that you go hear me, I day here, Tombo day here, Auntie T day here, and what day here as well. Not going anywhere when they come back. Phone, make we call this our brother and make we know more things and how we fit take help. Those of you where they there, I beg not mention church, because as you think here, he's saying don't go church, don't do the 3 religion, nothing. Hello, my off your radio.
Hello.
Yeah, I beg off your radio.
I don't. Good morning.
Okay, good morning, my brother. Oh yeah, talk to us. I don't read part of the things where you send me, but just tell us, just give us a story. What you go like make we know about your issue, your story, and your issue.
I would have given my name, but I want to remain anonymous.
Yes, please.
Like I said earlier, this issue started when I was aware of myself as an adult.
Yes.
I will keep things most times. Maybe come out and make it in a different position.
I need to hear you. Your phone, they speaker.
No.
Okay, you're gonna need to talk to your mic so that we go.
Okay, do you hear me now?
Better.
All right. I noticed this when I started becoming aware of myself as an adult.
Okay.
Sometimes I go keep things and I go come back. See, say the things no they.
The thing don't come out.
Or that the thing don't lost, pata. And at that stage, I was staying with an uncle.
Credit don't finish.
I talk as no, not be. Na me they call am.
Oh, okay.
Network.
Network. I just know say the network, you know, the way the call take the shake, not pure. Oh, network. This Nigerian mother no here. I don't just understand.
Everything.
Even.
Well,
it's not reachable.
Meanwhile, the person is not far from.
Meanwhile, the person they where you holding phone for hand.
Said the person not reachable. that is accused of disappearance.
Which as I will try is define.
You don't say after they do show finish now. They don't share proceed.
They don't share more. Okay, that's show. Not true.
They share that they call us quickly go leave because of one. You understand?
Don't make more money.
They go leave after show for this company.
Baba, you go leave, Sean.
You not supposed to program and dance since before.
I don't say you don't program and take it.
Stress for that night that he done. I'm not going work.
Plus all that stress, where do you? I know.
Plus spiritual stress.
I know. You're talking from the spinster mode. After.
Okay, they call out on this line now. They go. My mom be say make. I hope saying go no say na me they call making answer. Cannot answer. My brother, if you hear me, na me they call you. The number where they you know say.
You don't say the life. We are headset. The whole world has heard you.
The whole world don't hear all the nonsense. So my brother, continue. I dey hear you. Time not today again before market.
You hear me now?
Yeah, I dey hear you now. Continue. So just continue talk. Hello. Wahala. Hello. Ha. I don't understand this one. Just say nobody see the same spiritual people.
They don't they block us.
They block.
They
don't block us. So.
You know if you touch yourself.
Then they block us. Hello, my brother. Hello. Hey,
they don't block his own boys there.
He don't say these people water and air. They don't say it's where you block.
Wow.
That right now.
No, na network.
If you try them from you.
Try.
No more trying here again. Na network. Say Bismillah. Talk to us. We hear you.
All right. Which part want to talk to you?
Yes.
Did you hear the part where I spoke about staying on my own and opening a salon?
Yeah, okay, yeah. So you say as you open salon, what do they play? As you open salon, you hear me?
Yeah, I'm with you.
So you say as you open salon, because based on the salon part where you talk, you say you go house, come back in the morning, your equipment, everything does scatter for ground, and no, it not be like anybody enter inside.
Exactly.
Continue.
Then that was when I started asking questions properly and asking even strangers. And that was where my religious journey started. I started moving from place to place.
Okay.
I've gone to 16 states, I think.
16.
To different places. Then I wasn't a transporter. I was just get address, waka, go to place, come back. And the things you are persisting, I was spending money.
Yes.
At a point, I opened the bed night shop.
Okay.
And I got the shop. And then, like I wrote to you, things prospered to an extent. And then, all of a sudden, No. I prepared my visa to travel.
You dey busy. You dey drive.
Don't worry, I'm with you.
Because the thing they cut off, I know they hear you where they go off. So we're not the two here.
My network, you know they hear me now.
I dey hear you. Just make your voice dey up a bit. If you not go dey too problem.
All right.
So you say you can't do your visa.
Yeah, then when I did my visa then, and Nsukka gave me admission.
Okay.
To study English. I was among the first people. Within this space of 3 months, as visa come out, Nsukka gave me admission at the same time because I first money at the young age.
Yes.
I say make I free the visa stuff if I go abroad at the study.
Yes.
And within these 3 months, where this robbery can start, I go dey dream. They go tell me for dream. When I wake up, I had 3 branches. I had one in the Navy. I had one in Oba. I had one in Olu. And then I had my salon. I gave it out to the first staff that started with me.
Yes.
That started working for me. I gave it out to me. So within these 3 months, they go first rob me for dream.
Then go rob you for dream.
Yeah. When I wake up, go reach 2-3 hours if I don't wake up. My manager, any of my managers, they come me, I don't know if they call. I go ask them what they collect. And most times, they shock them. Because they be like, say, they put hands for waiting, they don't know. They go come shop, still one big leg, like, if you want big food.
Yes. Oh, they go see big foot, like leg where person match.
You go break time for floor, for German floor, where they put for floor, and key, nobody go touch key. There are times when I was handling my phone, there was a time I came around and I saw a center. So the thing got very serious. I don't know who I want to talk again. My family members, them begin to show concern, but it was not coming in the manner I expected. Yes. It will be like, you get one reverend father will come out to you. Like I go collect olive oil or holy water. And I stopped talking to them about it. When my business crashed, I came down to Lagos. I don't know as my husband wants to take it. I have 2 elder sisters. I don't know as my husband wants to take it. So I started crashing with my elder. From there, I got Keke to drive. Now this is the wala start myself on the wala on the get body order. The Keke they go spoil them for dream when I wake up. That exact thing where they spoil.
Now you go spoil physically.
Nobody say they go spoil hand, they go do leg. That exact thing. And no matter how I pray, give them the prayer, no matter how I pray,
nothing.
You know, they stop. If police arrest me for dream, if I wake up out of fear, make I no go work. If I stay 1 week, start work after the next week, police will arrest me. At the time I can't give myself up like anything way like maybe. Meanwhile in the dream I've had, like I told you, I wrote to you. I don't dream like 3 ladies for water carrying rings they put on my private party. Tell me say make I no share the king ground from home. So I not be ordinary person.
They carry ring you put for your machine gun.
Yeah.
Hey, okay, you know what's happen? Wait, make we go market, come back. Once we come back, we'll get more time to talk to you, okay?
All right.
Hey.
Ring for machine gun of all.
The one where they even shock me past now, say they go see big leg where person. You know how person go match
like troll.
Very big one, like troll. Yet, my brother, would they come? Oh.
Fiao.
Strong go. Some they say make you go church, go Lord chosen.
Oh yeah.
But I say una not here waiting.
They not carry ear.
Una not carry ear put for ground. Anyway, my brother, welcome back. So, una not put ear for ground. Say in don't do everything well, and una not here when I read the message. In don't do all of them. He don't do all of them. He don't do Christian. He don't do Muslim. He don't do. Hello, my brother, you hear me? Okay, so you say the last place where you stop, you say then for dream the girls give you 3 rings.
Yeah. They put a ring on my private part.
Okay.
I should know my status where I come from, that I'm a king.
Okay.
Then sometime again I saw an old woman in the dream asking me what I'm doing in this position. Like I am not here, I am supposed to. Go and do things I'm supposed to do.
Okay.
Okay, that I should go and do things I'm supposed to do as a water person.
Yes.
And I was asking her, Mama, how do you, she called me by my name, how do you know this? What am I expecting you to do? And then she started laughing and I woke up. I've narrated this. People, the ones that will call in that will call subsequent ones that will advise you to go to church. I've been to several churches. The ones, most of them, all these new generation churches that the pastors probably went to school abroad. They don't believe in stuff like this. One told me, guy, it's your mindset. All those, I am strong.
All those nonsense.
That kind of people, I'll tell you that it's like this are figments of your imagination. That when you feed them, it will keep happening. Myself, I know now that they feed them like this. When I try to strengthen up faith, okay, this is because they look at you like that. You faith, you don't faith, so now your body. Things keep happening. So, I went to Moricas and I get to convert to Islam. Thank you for food. There are more of somewhere where you can't join this thing. They can't tell me paparazzi. I will come with the snap pictures. And the main reason why I went there was
to get help.
Yeah, I was not getting the attention. So I left Islam. I don't plan to go to Ekaka. I don't think about I won't depend me. They pay me very well. We don't do family prayer attire for this issue. And you know, just they won't go away. Now, one sheikh will meet me for Abdul told me sometimes that I should stop allowing people to touch me on my head. That I am. Now, mostly, you know, you say people they do work for me to go to me. Mostly, now people of higher spirit they work for me. Not everybody supposed to touch me for head. In the name of prayer, the name of do a far work, do one thing. And that part I've heard it several. If I begin to call places where I don't go, if you don't, even for you to stay where you from, in the place for Abani, I don't go.
Wow.
You look for Ubru, I don't go. And for the Ubru, that they tell me, hey, make a the place I come from, make a no put hand for battle. If I want to do abortion for me, I don't get problem. So I don't think it's no wrong. I don't get problem. What I do is say, we are not going to see. From a very pure kind of thing that should not be storage. I know the kind of thing they do work for me. And black kind of work, the money Yahoo and stuff. Don't you know the work for me? Like, it's not in my thing. So, I've expressed it. I'm going to currently at the
now inside all this waiting be the other things where you don't suffer from this thing.
I meet good people.
I know they hear you.
I said I meet good people, both relationship and people around me. Just that where matter like this, people where they hear me,
I did hear you.
When you keep associating people and the only thing you bring to the table, stories after stories, people will eventually get tired of you. Again,
not be lying.
Honestly, I don't mean the current girl when I did now. Me know I'll be the type person. Not be say make I declare farm. You never meet person you be like me, with this selfless. Then most times you just be like whether make you come on or make you not come on. When you have lots of problems, you don't go blame people that are around.
Now, one question I want to ask you. They say if they try the same thing over and over and over na stupidity. Now, you don't try everything where you know so you fit try. It still remain the same thing. Inside all these things, you don't think I'm to embrace who you be?
I have tried to. That's the part where I see guidance.
Okay, you know what's going to happen? I go open phone line, make some people talk some things to you, and then anybody we will see we go like help you, give you guidance. We'll go also get from the person, and they will come back to you if we need any question. Okay?
All right.
Thank you, my brother. When I don't hear them now, our phone lines don't open 0700-951-951-951. 0700-951-951-951. I want to talk something when they be say when I don't understand. I know say religion don't spoil us. Religion don't block our head, block our eye, block us from who we be. It don't block us from who we be naturally. Now you notice something for inside waiting this guy talk. He talk say then tell him say make he not put hand for any bad thing. He not go work for him. Anything will be bad thing to another person, not put hand inside them. but una say na bad spirit na dey with them. You understand where they go? Even some of your pastors where they claim pastors now yahoo them be.
Oh, of course.
Then they daily they harm and they hurt other people. Now I know they understand me. I not to say waiting this one correct or this one they wrong. But I won't make you understand. Say normally, if you follow who you be, you get the one good day, bad day for everywhere.
Yes, of course.
Good day, bad day for everywhere. This one tell us say even if you do any bad thing, it not go work. Put hand for any yahoo, it not go work. Put hand for this one, it not go work. Anyway, our phone lines don't open 0700-951-951-951 0700-951-951. Moko begin taking our phone calls. Hello, who they there?
Hello, lady.
Good morning.
Morning, Jaya. Morning, sir, from Egypt.
Talk to us with the hear you, man.
Yes. My advice to this young man, since you have tried all these things, and the thing that is disturbing you, and you are seeing it.
Yes.
Physical.
Yes.
You see foot march, you see this, you see that, and they cry church and they try everything. See, what God used to judge is your mind.
Your heart.
Your heart. When you are doing bad things, that is where God is against you. But if this thing, you know what is wrong with you, I am advising you now to come out physically and do that thing and make sure that his hand is in a right place. He
Always
not
clean.
do anything bad.
Okay.
Because maybe God is using him now to save many people through the work of, if he stand as a child of God and be doing this thing.
Yes.
In the right way that God wants him to do it.
Abio.
He will use it now and save people.
You'll be lying.
That's my advice now.
All right. Hello, who they there?
Hello.
Hello, again, good morning.
Talk to us.
What I want to say, this thing is calling.
Yes.
That's the thing. He has to answer it.
He has to answer the calling.
Yes. Let person know come the advice or say make him pray to God. Pray to
Abio.
No. I beg. I know I hear this one this morning. This is simple calling that he has to answer. It's very, very simple.
Thank you. Now be waiting. I don't tell. If you know say you go call, say make you go church. No, just call. Hello, who they there?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my brother. Who they talk?
Jinkoye.
Talk to us, Jinkoye.
You see this guy, one thing when I understand everything talk, the guy, he doesn't know the kind of person where he be.
Yes, in the very powerful way. No.
He never understand the self, and he never understand the kind of calling
where he gets.
If he mother is their life, mean go with the mother. All these things, I believe my mother, I go send better for her. My mother, I go tell the kind of person where he be. So him go feel understand himself, so everything will move away from him. Even till tomorrow, nothing like say go church, go mosque, until him understand the kind of person where he be, before things will go away from him. Nothing like pray, do something, you know, go work.
Okay.
Me go send call.
Okay, thank you. Nedu Antombobele, my name is Honorable Charles. As far as I'm concerned, this man's spiritual matter is a small problem. If he can link up with me, I will take him to a place where he will have 100% solution to the problem. I am sure of what I'm talking about. Now, you will say you are sure of what I'm talking about, Honorable Charles. Are you talking about the church?
Or which one?
Or which one? I need to know. Reply us with your message, Honorable Charles. Mo will know. If na church you dey talk, I need to know. Because you see, another thing wey they find now solution. Now, what be the solution where this guy they find? Solution of who go guide them well to be who him they called to be.
Simple.
Simple. So no come here they talk say oh let him go to mountain of fire.
Somebody that send me message say may read John 1 something.
Okay now.
That's like say go sit down
Alright.
over.
Pant. I beg. So make una not do not come tell me say I'm gonna do tell him let him go to church. I will not do that. I'm not go do that one. I'm not even read their message. Don't bother.
You hear that talk when talk say they tell us meaning the lap with the lay hand for a head.
A head.
So we talk off the mic.
Oh.
Can be where they let they collect. They
collect. I beg more enter market
Nah,
Nico. All right, now welcome back to our backyard. On top WhatsApp, all of us see there for here. Ochaik's day here, Toun day here, Tombo plus including Chinaze. This one say this guy's story is exactly what happened to my little brother. Very intelligent guy. He will get work. He doesn't know how those money disappear. He went to Navy, which I took him, and he made it on the day of the training. He made it on the day of the training. They removed his name. He will be sick, and we will keep treating him. After a few days, it will happen again. Finally, we said his native doctor he will do, cause he keeps saying it because we too believe in Christianity. We refuse him. Finally, he is now learning native doctor work, and everything stopped. People are calling me to give me work cause he draws things. These people who don't call him now all are looking for him. But all of us go there here, they shout, go to church, go to church. The reality they happen to that guy.
Reality.
And now waiting plenty of us they go through be that. We don't spend money tired. But if by luck you meet the person wey sabi and the hand clean, or more you don't blow be that. A lot of these well-known men of God don't go clear their ways codedly, but they no go ever tell you. I pray make that guy meet better person we go clear way for him and he go blow. No worry, we don't already get numbers of people when he be say go fit to help and clear way. Make una understand something in case you don't know him. What every human being where they hear me, all of us waiting for inside studio here. I don't talk this thing before and I go talk him again. Every human being is from one or four different places. Yeah. It's either you come from water, or you come from fire, or you come from air, or you come from earth, ground.
The four elements.
You must come from. You must be one of four of them. You not fit stop them.
Some avatar shit.
You not fit stop them. If you like, do Rakshidi Akene Kawasaki Suzuki. You cannot change it.
You cannot now.
If you be water, face your water where you be.
Period.
Should be una day here when somebody talk that they say somebody will be water talk that they say even blood of Jesus cannot save you from water. Why you think say those will be water then go every day the same thing, except say they come meet somebody when he be say go fit in stand in the gap. Maybe that person a water person too. That one will come tell them say okay maybe I don't know how they go take the do am sha. Because I believe some people feel they come out for the thing. But the truth is who you be now, who you be. It be like say I can't stand up now. Me where I be fire. I can't the answer to own name will be maybe like earth or air. I don't know. It's not possible.
At all.
And another thing where a lot of people don't understand. You see these people come from water. They get power. They are very, very powerful. But on them shut up. Make I not talk the one with the man. Man no go talk the one when they be say people go on to say this Nedu is an antichrist.